So this is, in a nutshell, what do we do for the companies we work on. So in which roles we perform these different activities. We can be software development engineers in test. That is SDET. That's the most technical role that we can have. It will be your role if you like to code. If you like to code, if you are good on it, if you like to know and to learn different languages and programming languages, that will be your role. You will work peer by peer with a developer, reviewing their code, improving it, seeing bad practices, highlighting different typos. They can even have typos. A system can fail just because the coding have a typo, double spaces, a wrong letter. So we need to be able to assist developers in that if you are an SDET, Software Development Engineering Test. Then you can be a QA engineer. QA engineer is a mixed role. You are half technical role, half into analysis, business, processes, and more focused into quality. So QA engineer do both. We can review code if we want to, but our most skill and value is appreciated if we review requirements, is if we actually see gaps and uncover different incompatibilities from the system, if we design very strong and good test plans, if we plan what is going to be tested. So it's a more complex role. Then we can be QA analysts or test analysts, and we can go and make a good analysis of the business requirements. This is a strong analytical role where you will be reading a lot of documents and in them. The QA analyst is also the person that creates the manuals for end users. We handle a lot of different documentation. We provide the clients and the customers with some written documents regarding the product, because we are so into details and we know the product as the back of our hand, but in the user point of view, as a user will. So we can create the manuals for that. We can be manual tester or software tester. We will manually use and execute the system to uncover defects. We can be business QA engineers, so we can be working on business. And when your company hires a development team outside the company, you are the person in charge of engaging with that team and translating requirements and working with them. And same as a product QA engineer, so you can be the owner of a product that is going to be developed or is being developed, and you need to be the expert on that. You need to know your CRM or your application the best possible, and people will contact you when they want to know different functionalities. So as you can see, we have roles that are very much technical, roles that are more into analysis and more into engaging with business and being a representative of the product. So it depends on your desires. It depends on what you want for your future career. So if you like technicality, go for there. If you like analysis and business, go for there, because there are a lot of different opportunities in every side of the quality assurance world.